Bad luck either destroys you or makes you the man or woman you really are. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about that actor who was rejected by the film industry for being 6 feet 3 inches tall. Yes, he is no other than the angry young man Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So let's know more about him in detail. Everyone knows that on 11th October, Amitabh Bachchan was born to Teji Bachchan and Harivansh Rai Bachchan. But how many of you all know that he got his break in Bollywood with the help of Indira Gandhi? Yes, you heard it right. He got his break in Bollywood after a letter of introduction from the Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi, as he was a friend of her son Rajiv Gandhi. This is how Amitabh Bachchan made an entry in Bollywood, starting with Saath Hindustani in 1969. But this film was not a great success. Then he had to struggle for another 2 years. Then came Anand in 1971 and Janjeer in 1973. These films were a huge success and one of the highest grossing films of that year, breaking Bachchan's dry spell at the box office. Success did get him and he was steadily climbing the ladder. However, life is never easy. In 1982, Amitabh had a near-death experience. The doctors and his family had lost hopes after he met with an accident on the sets of the movie Coolie. His illness made him feel weak both mentally and physically, and he decided to quit films and ventured in politics with the help of his friend Rajiv Gandhi, but had to leave mid-term because of controversies, particularly after Rajiv and he were implicated in the now infamous Bofors case along with UK-based Hinduja brothers. After a 4-year break, he was back. Bachchan turned producer during his temporary retirement period, setting up Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited (ABCL) in 1996. ABCL's operation were mainstream commercial film production. But 4 flops in 1999 and incurring debt of over 90 crore rupees of his sinking company ABCL saw him at all-time low, and his credit rating deteriorated to such an extent that a leading nationalized bank, Canara Bank, sued him for outstanding loans. In such circumstances and after so many downfalls, anyone can lose strength to move on. But he came back and made a fresh start through KBC and film Mohabbatein. On his decision for KBC, his wife Jaya Bachchan doubted the transition of a silver screen megastar heading to make a TV show, to which he exclaimed, "Beggars can't be choosers." So this was a small video on how Big B made a comeback in the industry. Did you know that Akshay Kumar had 6 love affairs before and after marriage? To know more in detail, check out my last video, 10 shocking facts about Akshay Kumar. Thank you.